Hi guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. So time for me to share another live trade of mine. So the date of the trade would be 22nd of January 2018. That would be for Monday, that is yesterday. And the script which was traded was McDowell, United Spirits. And let me just go ahead and quickly give you a summary of the trade. Post that I will go ahead and explain the technicals, and post that I will show you the recorded video. And I would like to apologize because I was not able to record the move of the script because Zerodha was not working on my mobile for some reason. Okay, so I was just able to record the orders that I placed. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you the summary of the trade. So the capital used was 48,000. The profit earned was 32,304 rupees 30 paise, and the profit percentage was 80.76%. Okay, so the entry was made at 3,799 and the exit was at 3,879.50. so the move that was caught was around 80 rupees 50 paise move. Okay, so before I start with just a quick disclaimer. This is advised for the newbies and the guys who are not experienced enough not to trade in the first 15 minutes of the market. That would be disclaimer 1. And disclaimer 2 is I'm not showing out this video to show off my profits. I want you people to I just want to prove myself that if you are following the right technicals, if you have the right knowledge, then intraday trading can be profitable on a daily basis. Okay, so having that said, let me move on to the charts here. Okay, so this was the first candle of the day, guys, a red candle. Okay, so it is obviously quite indecisive because it was not able to cross R1, though we can see that the buyers are pushing the stock up. Okay, the second candle was a solid green candle which actually went ahead and closed above R2, so it sustained R2. Okay, and seeing the volume and the momentum of the trade and the strength of the stock, the moment the third candle started forming, I took the entry. Okay, so the entry was at the third candle, very close to the base, very close to the low of the candle. So it was 3799. It was a market order which was taken up by me. Okay, so 3799 was the cost in which I entered. My target was to book my profit somewhere around R3. Okay, so I waited, and the next candle was a red candle. It quite did not bother me because anyways I was in a profit, right? I was in a good profit of around 13 to 14 rupees. Okay, in this red candle. The of 1 2 3 4 5 the fifth red candle was quite bothering for me because it was coming down and it actually crossed my entry point and came down. Okay, now remember guys, my stop loss video, I always say that we need to give the scripts some space so that the script can prove that we are right. Okay, we need to give it some space when we place the stop loss. Okay, so since this is a 3,800 rupees script that I was trading, so I was supposed to give a good space to the script so that even if it comes down, I give it a chance to go up. Okay, so if you see, I can place the stop loss at around 15 to 20 points because a movement of 15 to 20 points for a 3,800 rupees script is not a big deal. Okay, so my stop loss was 15 to 20 rupees below my entry. Okay, so if 3799, let's say 3,800 was my entry. Okay, so 3780, somewhere here was my stop loss. Okay, so this candle did come down, but seeing the price action, you can very well tell that the buyers are not ready to settle at a low price, and they rejected the cost and they pushed the price upward. Okay, so that was a kind of confirmation for me that this guy can go up. Okay, so eventually I waited. It tried to cross R3, but it failed. Okay, I still waited because I was still in a profit. Okay, so since it is a 3,800 script, I just wanted to take the maximum advantage of it. Okay, and my technicals were showing that I can aim for around 3,900 in the script. Okay, so I stayed back. It came down again a bit. Again the buyers pushed it up, okay, and slowly it went up, and finally it crossed R3. Okay, and it sustained R3, and this was the point where I booked my profit at around at exactly 3,879.50. Okay, I did not wanted to take any further risk, because I was able to catch a 80 rupees move anyways, which was a big deal for me. So I had taken up 400 shares with a 40x margin on a capital of 40,000. So the profit was around 32,300. So that was sufficient for me as a day trader. Okay, why do I take any unnecessary risk? Okay, so this was a simple trade, guys, a very peaceful trade. Okay, the only thing which played a vital role in this trade was the technicals and my patience. Okay, so seeing these two red candles, people will normally will start panicking, but there is nothing to panic, guys. Okay, you need to just see that how much loss can you take up, and what the technicals are telling you. Okay, and the rest will be taken care of. Okay, so this was my trade, guys. Let me just go ahead and bring in the video here, and I will talk whenever it is necessary. Okay, right, so the order was placed at 3799 with 400 stocks bought. Okay, this is moving. I was 14,000 profit, 13,000 profit, 14,400 profit. Okay, initially I thought of booking it at 3860 or 3858, somewhere close to it, but seeing the momentum I changed my mind, and finally I booked it here, 3879.50. okay, so the order was placed and it was still in the pending state. Took some time to get executed. Alright, yeah, let's go to the net position. Okay, so this was the final profit. Okay, just one trade and the profit was around 32,000, so it was a good trade. Okay, so it did took some time, because the entry that that was made, let me get back to the charts. The entry that was made was at 9:25 a.m. and the profit was booked at 11:10, right? So it was around 9:30, 1 hour 40 minutes trade, right? Sorry, 1 hour 35 minutes trade. But again, it doesn't matter, because it worth the wait, right? If you're able to make a profit of more than 30,000 in a matter of 1.5 hours, it can be considered as a good trade. Okay, so keep learning, guys, and be strong in your technicals, be confident on your strategy, be confident on whatever you are following, and yeah, everything will fall in place. Okay, so I will try my best to record a video again today if I get a chance. That is on Tuesday, 23rd of January, and if I'm able to record, whether I'm in profit or I'm in loss, I will share the video. Alright, thank you so much for your time, guys. You all have a good day. Bye bye.